Accurate Sensors Technologies.
Hello everyone. There are different pyrometers are used in different applications. So based on the application requirement, we have to choose a suitable pyrometer for temperature measurement. The glass industry application is one of the special industry we have. So where we have to use a special pyrometer based on the glass forming process. So there are several processes are involved in the glass formation, such as four-earth furnace, float glass process, glass gob formation, and mold process. So in this video, we will see a portable glass mold pyrometer, which is specially developed for the mold processes. So, what is the importance of temperature measurement in the glass industry? Temperature plays a very vital role in a glass forming process. The viscosity of the glass is completely dependent upon the thermal uniformity, and any change in this factor can be the problem in the next stage of glass forming process. So, what is the importance of a glass mold temperature? First one is to preserve the homogeneous quality of the product. So accurate temperature of the mold can give you the best quality of the product. The measurement of mold temperature can be used to control the cooling air plunger temperature, uh, well time, and the pressing pressure. Also to obtain a greater control of the dimensional variance and the viscosity control. The mold temperature also can be used to avoid the glass breakages in the during the process. Then it also increase the production speed and the production of the lighter weight glass products. The glass behavior also change according to the wavelength selections, as per the wavelength change. Such as the thin glass can work on the 1 micron wavelength, and thick glass is work on the 5 to 8 micron. So the mold glass application is definitely work on the 1 micron. So let us understand the mold glass process. From the furnace, the molten glass metal flows into one or more forearcs, and then it is cut by the shearing blade to form a cylinder of the glass. It is also known as the gob. Then this gob is dropped into the mold where the initial shaping is given to the gob. The glass is firstly pressed from the below into the blank mold where pre-container is created. And then this pre-container is flipped over into the final mold where the final container mold shaping is done. So we required, and hence we required the pyrometer to measure the mold temperature accurately. So mold temperature is ranging between the 400 degree to 500 degree. This is the portable glass mold pyrometer, specially designed to measure the temperature of glass mold application. This is the portable, robust, lightweight, and battery-powered non-contact type pyrometer. The temperature ranging is from 250 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. This PGM is consists of the adjustable fiber optic probe with detector and the electronic part. The fiber optic probe can sustain the temperature up to 250 degrees Celsius, and the temperature measurement can be carried out by touching momentarily the tip of the probe to the target surface. This is the adjustable probe by 360-degree rotation and in 18-degree steps. It is easily interchangeable or recalibrated at site. The standard 90-degree angle bend is given on the probe for the temperature measurement. Optionally, it can be a 0-degree or 45-degree bend can be provided depending upon the application requirement. The data storage is given up to 1,000 readings, and it can be easily retrieved by using the USB option. A single button for power on and the data capture is given. This is a fast response time up to 2 milliseconds it can work. These are the standard accessories given with the PGM. The PGM comes with this carrying case, the rechargeable batteries of AAA, and the battery charger, and the USB data cable to retrieve the data, and the PC software to change any specifications of the. So if you have any other requirement or any queries regarding the PGM, so please write down at the sales@accuratesensors.com or sagar@accuratesensors. Thank you.